Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Hassan Elhais. I'm a legal consultant at Reward Advocates. In today's video, we will be discussing the UAE laws surrounding divorce in the United Arab Emirates for Muslims. In 2005, Federal Law Number 28 was introduced to govern personal status matters for Muslims in the UAE. However, from Feb 2023, non-Muslim family matters will be dealt under a separate law. Under the personal status law, divorce is defined as a termination of legally binding marriage contract between spouses. Article 98 outlines the grounds for divorce and who can file for it. The husband has the right to file for divorce, whereas the wife needs either contractual rights to file for the divorce or legal grounds of harm to file for it. A divorce decree can be issued verbally or in writing. According to UAE personal status law, husbands can divorce the wife by declaring talaq, which is the Arabic phrase of I divorce you. A divorce granted in this way will be legally binding for Muslims, but it will need to be recorded with the courts in the UAE. Both parties can seek divorce decree by petitioning the court directly. However, before referring a couple to the courts, they must first participate in mediation with the Family Guidance Department, which is a special department regulated by UAE laws, located at the UAE courts, and authorized to serve matters amicably between the parties. They do it through reconciliation process by having a signed settlement agreement defines the parties' rights and obligations. According to Article number 16 of UAE Personal Status Law, divorce, custody, and financial claims will not be accepted at the court if it has not been presented first to the Family Guidance Department. If the committee's mediators are unable to bring the disputes between the parties to a solution, the case will be heard by the judge. There are several grounds for divorce, which can include physical harm, verbal abuse, lack of financial support, or physical separation. It's important to keep in mind that such grounds are not exclusive, as many other grounds could be used to claim divorce due to harm. The divorce issued by the husband is revocable. However, only after completion of the period of 3 months, it will be automatically considered as irrevocable. Let's talk about the financial rights that results from Muslim divorce. A Muslim woman is entitled to financial support from her spouse for a period around 3 months. However, after the necessary period has passed, the Muslim woman will no longer be eligible for financial assistance. The husband's salary is used to calculate the monthly alimony amount. If the husband owes the wife money, such as he failed to provide her with financial support during the marriage, she can ask for reimbursement of expenses going back 3 years. If the divorce has not been yet finalized, the judge may order the husband to make temporary payment to the wife. Moreover, the wife has the right to ask the court to increase it by filing an appeal if she was not satisfied with the temporary maintenance amount. Finally, if the husband divorces his wife without her consent, she might be eligible to claim compensation. Such compensation will be called as a nafaqat mut'a. It's fixed amount to be evaluated by the court to cover the wife's expenses up to 1 year after divorce. If the couple has children, the father is responsible for paying all the children's expenses. If the wife supported the kids within marriage, she would have the right to claim for child support with backdated effect up to 1 year. In the meantime, she would have the right to claim for her own personal expenses with backdated effect up to 3 years. The situation with regards to the assets should be as follows. Each party owns what is registered under his or her name. In other words, assets control the result. However, this rule has one exception, where each party can claim rights over assets even if the property was not registered under the spouse's name, in case he or she could prove that financial contribution was made towards the assets from his own bank account. Husband cannot claim maintenance from his wife after divorce. However, he is still liable to cover his kids' expenses, and if he failed to do the same, his wife would have the right to apply through the court to get his assets attached or to apply even for a travel ban. That's all for today's discussion around UAE divorce laws for Muslims. I hope you found the information useful and helpful.